This is a quick tutorial for cutting up objects in Fusion 360 for multi-material printing. All I've done here is I've created a sketch, and then I made a closed profile on that sketch. It can be any closed profile. This is a spline. We're going to go up here, we're going to select split body. We're going to select the body to split, and we select the tool, which is the sketch. As you see, we get a zero width cut through this body, and we now have two separate bodies. Now there's no gap between them because that was a 2D plane. If we do another sketch, say we want some lettering here, unfortunately you can't just select letters as a cut tool, but what you can do is emboss your letters onto a surface, and then make a sketch on that surface and project those features onto the sketch. And then now these are closed profiles and they can be used as cutting tools. So then all you do is you can come up here to split body, select the body you want to split, select the tool, closed profile, and you can see we get this cut here. If we click OK, now we have this outline of a B. Say we want to get these inner pieces cut out there as well. We select the B, split body, and then we select these other closed profiles in here. Oh, not that one. Oh, my sketch was hidden. Here we go. There we go. Unfortunately, you can only select one closed profile at a time, so I can't do this and cut both of them at the same time. You can only do one at a time, or else it'll just fail to compute. So now we have all these bodies. So now we're going to select the rest of the B, do the same thing again, split body, select our tool, and boom, we've got that. So I'm actually going to delete all of those, and I'm just going to roll this forward. So I did that with the rest of these. So we have all of these bodies. And then also, another thing you can do for cutting tools is cut with planes. So what I did here is I just select construction offset plane, select a surface, drag my plane to where I want it to be. What do I got going on? Oh, it's just large. Okay. Hide the sketch. So then again, we just select split body, select our body, splitting tool is our plane. You can see it gives us a preview of the cut. Done. I'm actually going to hide this plane. So now we have all these different bodies. So to be able to print these for multi-material, if we select all the bodies we want to print, we go up File, Export. Export as 3MF. Open location. So it's going to ask us if we want to load these as multiple parts. Click yes. So now, if you look over here, we have each one of these is a body. And you can do whatever with it. It's perfectly aligned. Hope this helps. Have a good one.